So today I've decided to connect everything together to see the progress that we have made on our 4-bit computer. So we are going to start here. This is the ROM side of the circuit, or the firmware. So the firmware carries the startup sequence to guide the computer during startup. Also, it will be sending control signals during the time we are running programs like addition, subtraction, logic operations, and other operations too. So this is the firmware side of the circuit. In between here we have address bus. So the address bus connects the program counter outputs to be used as addresses to access different memory locations inside the ROM chip. So this enables the ROM to give different values that we are going to use later as control signals during various operations of the instruction. So here we have the RAM chip. This is the static RAM chip. So the static RAM holds the instructions that you are running at that moment. Yeah. Here we have the instruction register that stores the value from the static RAM temporarily. We have the program counter that is used as addresses for both the RAM and the ROM at the same time. Down here we have the first stage of the control unit. So this is the timing stage of the control unit that enables the control unit to control when the program counter can fetch an instruction. So as you can see, once it has changed the value of the program counter, it does something. This is just like loading. During this period of loading, it's doing what you want in your instruction. Yeah. So it gives the control unit enough time to perform or to execute what you want according to the instruction. Yeah. So this is the first stage. We are still making others. Here on the other side we have the system bus. So we have this first 4 bus, which will be carrying the opcode, the instruction, and also these red ones, these red wires are the operand. So the operand just carries the number or what you want to manipulate. So as the value appears here in this last 4 bits, it's what is being displayed in this 7-segment display. Yeah. And also, as you can see, numbers on this side can be, sometimes they are not shown well on the display, like this one, since the display can only display 0 to 9. So any number from 10 to 15, which is the maximum number our computer can do, cannot be displayed in this 7-segment, because the driver cannot give letters. Normally between 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, we use letters like A, B, C, D, E, and F. So these are the letters that we use. But since the driver cannot do that, it will just be showing some very funny characters. Yeah.